Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. When diagnosing your car's engine issues, the right tool can make all the difference. Every mechanic and car owner knows the importance of reliable diagnostic tools. An OBD2 scanner is a must-have device for all car owners and mechanics. It allows car owners to detect any issues before they become more expensive problems. OBD2 scanners vary in features and capabilities, so it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why we've compiled a list of the best OBD2 scanners on the market. So if you're looking for the best OBD2 scanner for your car, keep watching to learn more. Let's begin with the best bang for the buck, Li-Ku-Lu OBD2 Scanner. This plug-and-play car scanner can read and clear error codes quickly. It can verify fault codes related to the engine and readily determine what caused them. This product's standard viewing freeze frame function on car code readers enables you to access data recorded in the ECU of the condition where the issue occurred. The car diagnostic scanner typically has an IM readiness function that can test the functionality of the OBD2 compliant vehicle's emission control systems. It incorporates several monitors that are unique to the vehicle, such as a misfire monitor, fuel system monitor, comprehensive component monitor, oxygen sensor heater monitor, evap system, and so on. Code readers and scan tools are compatible with all OBD2 vehicles, including passenger cars and light trucks manufactured after 1996. Unfortunately, it is incompatible with vehicles that use new engines or hybrid technology. And the next one is the best convenient Foxwell NT604 OBD2 scanner. This code scanner not only features its OBD2 diagnosis, but also functions as a check engine, ABS SRS scanner, and transmission code reader. You can use the IM readiness option on this product to determine whether your vehicle is prepared for its yearly inspection. In addition, it has capabilities such as a live data stream, an integrated DTC library, data playback in print, and so on. This car scanner lets you quickly obtain your VIN and vehicle information using the Auto VIN menu. As a result, you no longer have to spend time locating your VIN and inputting it one by one. This product is also compatible with over 60 car makers worldwide, including those from America, Asia, and Europe. The automobile scanner has a sturdy protective cover that shields the OBD2 scanner from harm should it be dropped or knocked over. The only downside of this product is that it is a bit hard to update to the new version. And the next one is the best durable eDiag YA101 OBD2 scanner. With this product, you can start a leak test for the vehicle's evap system using the evap system test. Under normal engine operating conditions, the PCM can check, with the help of the oxygen sensor monitor, that the O2 sensors are correctly calibrated and functioning without any significant decrease in their performance. The sixth mode of this scanner monitors the operation of all sensors and other emission control system components. It can show the inner workings of the OBD2 system and tell you when a code will be set even before it sets the code and turns on the check engine light. This OBD2 scanner has a built-in code definition, so you only need to enter the fault codes you've been given and then enter the code meanings you've been given to discover the malfunctioning components of the car. However, it would be best if this product had a clearer manual to help you learn how to use it easily. Still haven't found an OBD2 scanner that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The next one is the best lightweight Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner. This handheld Innova 5610 OBD2 scan tool supports 3 simple-to-use languages: English, Spanish, and French. The Auto Relink feature assists you in determining while driving if the problem that caused the DTC codes may have been resolved successfully. This device may send commands to your vehicle to test operations, such as turning the fuel pump on or off, turning the air conditioning clutch on or off, or retracting the electronic parking brake. You can utilize the Enhanced Data Stream feature of the Innova scanner to view real-time data for advanced systems such as the engine, gearbox, SRS, and ABS. With the help of the special reset function, you can apply the dealership-level relearning process. You can get real-time solutions to your car problems and access live data from the OBD2 scanner. Unfortunately, this product is a bit challenging to connect to Bluetooth, but is still an excellent choice for everyone. And the next one is the best technology, Ansell V6 Pro Plus OBD2 Scanner. This product is an outstanding option for do-it-yourself home mechanics. This bidirectional scan tool can send and receive information to and from a vehicle's onboard computer. It has the capability of requesting information from the car as well as sending commands to the modules of the vehicle. These commands will cause the module to carry out a variety of tests and functions uniquely tailored to their needs. Built-in user-friendly one-key operation functions such as one-click snapshots, feedback, and online update are not present in a conventional OBD2 handheld scanner. This software displays real-time data in text and graph form, as well as assists in the analysis of code data and the creation of diagnostic reports. And what's even more significant is that it enables remote diagnostic technology. Hence, you won't have any trouble using it in the first place. The only downside is that this scanner may not read ABS, SRS, or airbag codes. And the next one is the best accuracy, TT Top-Don OBD2 Scanner. Using this scanner, you can read fault codes for the engine, the anti-lock braking system, ABS, the airbags, and the gearbox, which also provides access to the appropriate troubleshooting techniques. It is possible to avoid expensive repairs, breakdowns, and even accidents by doing thorough daily maintenance on older automobiles before going on lengthy travels. When a fault indicator light turns on in the dashboard, you can correctly identify the issue, repair any faults, and get the vehicle back up and running. This device comes with a lightning-quick Android 7.0 operating system, a 5-inch high-definition touchscreen, complete OBD2 functionality, live data graphing, battery voltage testing, and automatic diagnostic reports sent through email. It helps you save time and money on maintenance thanks to its 16GB RAM, 6100 mAh battery, and auto-VIN capability. Moreover, a feedback mechanism incorporated right in provides maintenance recommendations from our trained specialists. The only downside of this scanner is that it may not work well with vehicles manufactured before 2005. And our winner today is Ansell FX2000 OBD2 Scanner. It's the best overall on all OBD2 scanners that we researched. If you're looking for an all-in-one diagnostic solution for your car, the Ansell FX2000 OBD2 scanner is a remarkable choice. The one-key diagnosis function automatically identifies your car's model and year, streamlining the diagnostic process for even the most experienced users. Equipped with full OBD-level diagnostics, the FX2000 offers comprehensive fault analysis for engine system issues. It efficiently reads current, permanent, and pending codes, providing you with a clear understanding of the problem at hand. The scanner goes beyond fault code identification by displaying crucial OBD2 advanced data, such as fuel parameters and live performance statistics. This real-time data ensures that your car's engine's ECU functions correctly and safely, ultimately saving you time and money on unnecessary repairs. Although it can be pretty hard to set up the first time, you can get used to it after some use, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.